This is our very first mermaid friend. The thought of Nixie singing in the waves makes me happy. But I was a bit sad when she said goodbye. Yeah. Nixie said that was the first time she felt so comfortable being with humans. Humans only see their own desires in her, and nobody tries to understand what she really wants to say. I can't even imagine how lonely she must be. Yeah, I mean, mermaids are solitary creatures. It will be hard for us to meet again after Nixie returns to the Evernight Sea. She's going to go on living for a long, long time. Do you think she's going to think about that concert we saw out at sea as often as we do? Oh, next time we go to the beach, let's send Nixie a message in a bottle to tell her we miss her.